Welcome to an overview of the major points you need to learn about climate and vegetation in Latin America. First of all, in Latin America, tropical climates predominate. That's because most of the region sits between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, so it gets a lot of direct sunlight and is warm all year. One kind of cool result of all that warm sunshine is that during the winter, many critters migrate from our northerly climes to places in Latin America. Most of them are birds, but the most amazing migrators are the monarch butterflies, millions of whom spend their winters in parts of sunny Mexico. When you get far enough south, you get out of the tropics again, and the climates are more like ours, with major seasonal changes. Except the seasons are reversed. Because of the Earth's tilt, spring here is fall in Argentina and Chile. Summer here, winter there, and so on. As you surely know, climate affects vegetation. You know, different kinds of plants grow in different places depending on how hot, cold, dry, or wet it is. Because so much of Latin America is hot and rainy, it is home to more rainforest than any other region on Earth. Besides the vast Amazonian rainforest, there are jungles in southern Mexico, Central America, and on many Caribbean islands. It's not all jungle, though. Latin America has grasslands, too, where cattle roam and grain is grown. The pampas are dry grasslands in parts of Argentina and Uruguay. The llanos of Venezuela and Colombia are a bit wetter, but still good for raising cattle. Then there are the dry places, like the Sonoran Desert of northern Mexico. Then there is the Atacama Desert of Chile. It is really, 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 really dry. The only drier place on Earth is, wait for it, Antarctica? Finally, you need to understand a little something called vertical zonation. Climate and vegetation change as elevation increases. Because there are so many mountains in Latin America, the people there have given these changes names. You will need to learn those. Here's a quick review. 1. In Latin America, tropical climates predominate. 2. Some animals migrate to those warm climates during our winter time. 3. Seasons are reversed in the southern hemisphere. 4. Latin America has the largest area of rainforest on Earth. 5. The pampas and llanos are important grasslands in Latin America. 6. The Atacama Desert is the second driest desert on Earth. And 7. The main elevation-based categories of climate and vegetation are called Tierra Caliente, Tierra Templada, and Tierra Fria. Okay, that's your overview. Now dig into the remaining items in the module to learn about all of these fascinating topics in greater detail.